Hi all, this is Param again. Okay, so in this video we will see some of the as I told you how to create repository and how to create the snapshots. Okay, how to include all the indexes or only part of the indexes. Okay, all these things we will see here, and as well as other two operation like we of course we are taking snapshots. Okay, we can monitor the snapshot. Monitor in the sense getting status of the snapshots. Okay, and we can delete the snapshots. Okay, these three operations. Okay, so that is what I explained here. Okay, so delete also we will see how to let me put that color. Okay, no. Okay, so delete also we can see here. So we can delete all the snapshot or one or two snapshots. Okay, now let's move to the my create snapshot. So that's what I told you, right? Okay, here this is the repository. It's built-in repository. So here we can create snapshot 1, 2, 3, something like that. Okay, let's say I'm create. Come on, what happened? Okay, come on. I'm and this time I'm create. Let's say fourth. So complete wait for completion means it will wait till that. Okay. So see, I don't have anything in body. Okay, simply I'm creating a repository. What will happen? This will include all the repositories and all data stream and global storage as well. So, okay, so let me save it and let me run it. Okay. Okay, so of course this didn't happen for me, but yeah, there is spellings. Okay, there is spelling mistakes. Okay, so let me create f. Sorry. Okay, I found repositories. Okay, let me save it and let's run. So this times, okay, this times I am creating the second level repositories. Okay, actually creating repositories will take okay, we will take after some times. Okay, so of course yes, here it will happens, right? It's happened. So this times I include all the snapshots, all the indexes, including all the data streams. Okay, and you can see start time, end times, everything you can see that. Okay, so these times my request will not return immediately, so it will wait till the complete. So that's why this flag specify. Okay. Okay, now we want to create specific. Let's say we want to create a specific. Of course, indexes I don't have like this. Okay, but this is for what are the configuration we can do while creating snapshot. So of course, repository is fixed. Okay, repository is fixed. So what is repository? Then we something went wrong. Ayyo. Okay, let me open. Okay, here you can see, right, repository, and this is the repository names. In this repository I want to create a snapshot and some of the configuration parameter also I am passing. So this is what is indexes in that it include the name of both. Of course, wildcard also we can use here. Okay, wildcard also you can use here, and the data streams, data index names, everything we can specify here. And ignore unavailable. Let's say some of index not available, then please continue, no problems. Okay, and include global state, true or false. Okay, it's really good. As I said in the previous video, it's really good to have the global state. So obviously set true most of the times, because of it is necessary when the global state, whatever we store in the global state, that is necessary for data stream when we restore. Of course, metadata. So okay, we can see any key value pair. So that is just for readability. Okay, there's nothing else. Okay, kind of augmentation purpose. Okay, so that's all about the creation snapshots. Okay, while creating snapshots, we believe we are giving several parameters. Okay, uh, while creating snapshots, what is the things, how it is happened internally. Okay, what are the operations stopped, or okay, let's say any allocation reallocation is stopped while taking index, or if there's those to happen, and the snapshot is stopped once complete reallocation of star node, then it will start the creation of this one. Start the in the snapshot creation, right? So those are internal details. Okay, so of course it's taking snapshot is not easy. I mean, so it is not. It is a very performance consumed command, because if it has to read all the command, it has to read all the commands, all the data in the indexes and the global data store in data streams. Similarly, the other side, it has to read all the information from the snapshots. Then it has to do comparison. Then it has to do copy paste. So it's really heavy lifting command. Okay, so a lot of IO operations is there, lot of CPU processors is there. Okay, so taking snapshot is not, it's not a very cheap task. It's very very costly task. So that is what we have to keep in mind. Now, of course, we can get to know the status of the status of the particular index. What is it? Okay, so I specify snapshot, particular repository, and a particular snapshot. Okay, let me. I just now we have created a fourth, right? Just now we have created a fourth, not five, fourth. Okay, so save it and let me run it. So I can get status of fourth, status of single repository. So what happened? Oh my god, snapshot found. Okay, this is a problem in web version of Postman. If it is desktop application, we will not face this issue. Okay, so it's retrieve the status. Of course, it will retrieve status. Okay, retrieving status also costly operation. Okay, retrieving status also costly operation. So what they are suggesting is you just get the minimal information. Okay, if you want minimal information, this is how we have to do. Okay, so verbose equal to false. By setting these ones, it will get only minimal information. That it does not have detailed information like when it was start, when it was end, how much durations, of course. Okay, so it reduces minimal, very very minimal information. Okay, so only this indexes. Okay, so let me here, you can see that, right? Snapshot, UID, repository, that's fine. Indexes, data stream, state. So only this information retrieved for every snapshot. If it is not with verbose set to true something, it will retrieve many information for every snapshot. So that is really costly. So hitting this also will incur the space, incur the costing. Okay, fine. So that is what about that, this one. Then status, this is what completely so all repository, all snapshot, again it's very costly, so don't go. Okay, then snapshot of particular, let's say here we have repository. In this repository we can have many snapshots. So if you want to know all the snapshot details, then I can give this command. So by this I will get all the snapshot. Okay, for particular what particular repository. Okay, I think that is what I have explained here. So we can get the different kind of informations. Okay, so sometimes it's really costly information. Okay, it's really costly operation. So be care if you are running in cloud based environment. So because of they charge for all the IO operation as well, data transfer between the nodes. Okay, all the stuff for all the IO operations, they collect the money. Okay, of course it incurs a lot of CPU cycles. So that's why it's better to take snapshot once in a day or twice in a day, once in a week. That could be good, I believe. Okay, or over the weekend or over the late night, something like that. Okay, now delete. We can delete, of course we can delete snapshots. So deleting a repository itself different. Okay, so there's a deleting repository is different, but I can delete a snapshot itself. So, okay, here you can see I am giving that API. Okay, here I'm giving this repository name. At the end I'm giving this snapshot names. At the end I'm giving the snapshot name. So this is how, so I can do and delete. I all deleted, so that's why it's true. Let me try it again. Okay, so it would say, yeah, it is not there. Anyhow, just now, come on, save changes. Okay, just now I deleted, right? Just now I deleted what I say, I created a snapshot for, right? Let me try that. Okay, snap, come on, snapshot underscore 4, that's what we created, right? So I'm going to delete it now. Okay, I'm deleting it in snapshots. Okay, we can ask it. Of course, we are taking snapshot. Then why we have to delete? There is a reason. Um, if it is something's running very long, the snapshots taking a very long, that thing can be cancelled. And by mistake, I have taken snapshot. It's no need. So let's say by mistake I have run this particular query. Sorry, by mistake I ran taking snapshot command. Okay, So in that case, I can delete that also, right? Anyhow, see, let's say in the mid of the day, I have by mistake I have run my snapshot. Anyhow, at the end of the day, I'm going to run the snapshot query. Okay, then if it's the case, I can delete, right? So that's what. These are two reasons. Either by mistake we created snapshot, or it's wrong long running snapshot. So these two we can delete. So it's response immediately. So okay. So that's all about the, I think, okay. So that's all about the monitoring and deleting snapshots. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like my videos, leave your comments, okay, and subscribe my channels. Thank you, thanks for watching.